This is Chelsea running into the window.
You ready?
Run!
I think that's enough window running.
Say hi.
I'm getting hi. I can't breathe.
Sweep? Sweep, no, sweep. There's no room.
Someone take the helmet off. There's a germ. There's helmet. Get out of the way. I can't breathe.
I'm okay. Get out of the way.
I think I broke my vagina.
You crunched your vagina?
I crushed my vagina.
Okay, let's go. Let's go sit down.
No, it's broken.
Okay, I'll help you out.
I can't sit down.
I'll help you out.
I can't myself. You broke my vagina.
Her C-box is broken.
My C-box is out of order.
No, it still works. It still does.
Fucking laptop.
Telling me I just ran into something. No.
You don't have any small animals. It would have been dead.
Oh my god.
I don't want it.
I will.
There's no picture.
Somebody kicked you.
I didn't kick you. It was Amanda.
Did I run into something? Because he told me I did, and then I didn't, and then
You ran into something.
You hit into the door.
Can you see anything?
Oh my gosh,
I
Dude,
can't
it's so
see
recording. It's so
anything.
recording.
Black. Oh, it's
You just have to kind of record them.
It's recording.
where's the sweater?
It's recording.
Boom!
I don't even have to act like I can distance them.
There.
Oh, it's a video, not a picture. Oh my god.
Chelsea just fell down the stairs.
Chelsea just fell down the stairs. Don't go any farther. Don't just sit.
I don't think he likes me like this. I think I can
Stay.
line on how he feels about me.
Fell down the fucking stairs.
No, I did. No.
You did.
No.
Chelsea, you remember falling down the stairs?
Doing what?
No, you're staying there.
I was like, good.